So it's finally back to school season, and I know I'm a little late, but Amazon wasn't delivering anything because of quarantine. So today I'm talking about the best budget back to school tech/gear. Because of quarantine, we can't really go out much. That's why schools have online schools now, which honestly suck, but there's no escape from it. So number one on the list is a phone. Now for phones, I found a Samsung M21 phone with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. In theory, this phone should work flawlessly, seeing that the RAM is as much as some budget computers these days. With the same specs, we have the Umidigi A7 Pro, which should work perfectly fine as well. Now, talking about laptops, I couldn't really find one, but if you are looking into building a budget computer, you can use a Ryzen 3 3200G with internal Radeon Vega 8 graphics and 4 cores and 4 threads, paired with Gigabyte or Asus motherboards with an A320 chipset, 16 gigs of RAM and a 450 watt power supply. Now, you might think that 450 watt wouldn't suffice, seeing that a lot of builds these days use 550 and above, but for this build 450 should be enough. And this being a custom build, you can upgrade it in the future anytime you want. Now moving on. Now this product isn't something that is very interesting to talk about, but it is something that everyone needs after a point in time. And that is a 1.5 terabyte hard drive. Now most computers and laptops these days come with a 1 terabyte hard drive pre-installed. But like I said, after a point in time, you do need more storage. That's where comes in this 1.5 terabyte hard disk by Seagate. Now this hard drive isn't lightning speed, but it is USB 3.0, so it should suffice. I have the 2 terabyte variant and I can say with experience it works really well. Now I can proudly say that this is the best budget speaker out there. Now here's an audio sample from the speaker itself.
Washed away like rain, I'm frozen like snow. Lost inside my mind, thinking what you running from. Don't even watch me try. You fed me truth and lies, back me up, then drank up the tears from my eyes. Washed away like rain, I'm frozen like snow. Lost inside my mind, thinking what you running from. Don't even watch me try. You fed me truth and lies, back me up, then drank up the tears from my eyes. The tears from my eyes, yeah.
Now next up we have another Miniso product, the WM739 mouse from Miniso, and it's the one which I currently use. Now I don't know the sensitivity for this mouse, but it works pretty well with gaming and day-to-day tasks, or even OSU. I'm not giving you a demo for that. There is one problem with this mouse, that is when the battery gets low, it starts glitching a bit. Now last but definitely not the least are earphones from JBL, the JBL C100 SI. Now these are one of the best budget earphones that I've ever tried, with amazing noise cancellation and really good bass. Now unfortunately I can't show them to you right now because I lost them, but I've used them in the past and I really love the earphones. If you are looking into purchasing any of these products, please use the links in my description. It's a great way to support the channel. That's it for this video. Please subscribe, share it with your friends and tell them to subscribe too.